Data Storage Management Techniques. Hello everyone. As we learned about the storage of data in the previous video, here you will learn about the techniques of how data can be managed and compressed for longer use. First, you will be discussing what data compression is. Data compression is a reduction in the number of bits needed to represent data. Compressing data can save storage capacity, speed up file transfer, and decrease costs for storage hardware and network bandwidth. There are 5 methods of lossless and transparent storage compression. Let us begin with the file system compression. To reduce the storage footprint of data, it takes a fairly straightforward approach by transparently compressing each file as it is written to the disk. Early PCs had relatively expensive hard drives, with storage space at a premium. Software compression tools such as Disk Doubler and SuperST or Pro were very trendy, and in fact, they pioneered mainstream file system compression. But file system compression has long been cursed by grievances of poor performances. The fact is that it should be developed selectively on highly compressible files that are written once and then accessed infrequently. Next is storage array compression. Storage vendors have been deliberate to implement compression directly into their products because it is technically difficult to implement it at the block stage below the file system. Sun Microsystems did just that when it integrated the server, Sun Fabric, and storage into a single system, the Sunfire X4500. Moving to the next, that is NAS compression appliances. When there is a need, there will be a product to fill it. If your customer uses NAS storage and complains that it doesn't support compression natively, look to the software STN6000P series. Install the appliance between the storage device and the network, and it will do on-the-fly lossless and transparent storage compression. Now the backup storage compression. Almost as old as file system compression is tape hardware compression. It's so common that tape media manufacturers list compressed capacities in their marketing materials. Tape hardware compression is good for a few reasons. It doesn't slow things down. It's included on every modern drive type and usually provides compression ratios of better than 2:1. Virtual tape libraries, VTLs. They also support compression, but not all VTL compression is created equal. Several VTL manufacturers still use software compression, which slows down the write speeds. And the last is data deduplication. It is a specialized technique to eliminate duplicate copies of repeating data. Google search makes more than 560,000 pages of information about deduplication. The idea is relatively new, and the demand is high. Data deduplication comes in 2 forms: source-based and target-based. Source-based deduplication is handled at the client by products such as Symantec, PureDisk, and EMC Avama. Whereas target-based deduplication happens at the storage device in VTLs and NAS storage arrays like Data Domain, EMC DL3D, Diligent Protected, Sepaton S2100, and Quantum series. It has become so prevalent that I believe it will simply become an embedded characteristic in storage devices. That brings us to the end of this lecture. Thank you.